This is a SnapEd New York video presentation.
Hi, I'm Keelan with SnapEd New York, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a strawberry, white bean, and edamame salad, giving you a bright and fresh meal option for those beautiful summer months. Everything we eat and drink matters, and this salad's a quick and easy meal with the right mix of fruit, vegetables, lean protein, and dairy that can help you be healthier now and in the future. This balanced dish is a great way to provide a healthy meal without needing to heat up your oven. The last thing I want to do on a hot summer day is spend a long time heating up my kitchen to cook a big meal. This salad can give you a quick meal option that gets you back to the summer fun. Now let's take a look at how our recipe fits into MyPlate. MyPlate shows us the 5 food groups and shows us what a balanced meal looks like. Our recipe includes fruits such as strawberries, vegetables such as onion and spinach, protein such as edamame and white beans, and dairy such as feta cheese or any cheese you'd want to add. Alright folks, let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need half a cup of strawberries, half a cup of shelled edamame, 15-ounce can of low-sodium white beans, half a cup of red onions, 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh basil, half a cup of crumbled feta cheese, 6 cups of baby spinach, 1.5 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar, a 1/4 cup of 100% apple juice, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and an 1/8 teaspoon of pepper. The utensils you'll need for this recipe are a small mixing bowl, a medium mixing bowl, a pot, a colander, a cutting board, and a knife. We can keep our bodies healthy not only by eating healthy foods, but also by keeping our food and prep area free from dirt and bacteria. Before any food prep, make sure to wash your hands for 20 seconds with warm soap and water. Next, rinse spinach and strawberries under cool running water, rubbing gently to get rid of visible dirt. Make sure your utensils, cutting boards, and countertops are clean. Alright, let's dive into this dish. First step is to cook the edamame. I'm going to follow the cooking directions on the package to ensure my edamame comes out just as I intended for a great product. Bring a large pot of water to a boil, adding a dash of salt. When the pot comes to a boil, add your edamame and return the pot to a boil. Let these cook until they are bright green. This should take about 3 to 5 minutes. When these beautiful gems are done, drain them with a colander. Now you can prepare your vinaigrette. Add apple juice, olive oil, balsamic vinegar, salt and pepper to a bowl, and whisk. With the edamame and vinaigrette prepared, you can now prepare the rest of your ingredients for the salad. To chop your onion, first chop off the top of the onion, not the root. Then cut the onion in half while keeping the root intact. This will keep the onion layers together while you are chopping, helping protect your fingers. When chopping, use the claw technique by curling your fingers and thumb around the item you're cutting. This will help protect your fingers from cuts. To cut your strawberries, cut off the green tops and slice your strawberries. Don't be so quick to throw those strawberry tops away. You can save them and use them to brew tea or throw them into a smoothie to add extra fiber and flavor. In a medium bowl, combine your cooked edamame, rinsed white beans, sliced strawberries, red onions, basil, and feta. Now all that is left is assembling this colorful salad. Serve this salad on individual plates by placing the bean mixture on top of your fresh spinach and drizzle with vinaigrette. This salad makes 4.5 cup servings and only cost me a little over $15. The ingredients I have left over can be used to make this salad again or be put into other recipes. Now let's try it. Wow, that's good. I love all the colors and flavors. You can get creative and swap out the spinach for one of your favorite leafy greens like romaine lettuce or kale. You could even serve this as a dressed bean salad without the spinach that would make a great side dish for any event. Remember, this recipe is a great way to make half your plate fruits and vegetables while eating a variety of lean and low-fat proteins. Thank you so much for watching. However you decide to make your strawberry, white bean, and edamame salad, I hope you enjoy it. To find more recipes like this or to join us for a free nutrition workshop, visit snaped.org and/or follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Small changes make a big difference, so how can you add more fruits and vegetables into your day?
Thank you for joining us today. We know the healthy choice isn't always the easiest choice, but small changes can make a big difference. Start today by getting involved with SNAP Ed New York. This program is free for those who qualify or receive SNAP benefits. We want to help you save time, save money, and eat healthy. Learn how SNAP Ed can make a difference in your life. For more information and to find your local program, visit snapedny.org. This material is funded by USDA's Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program. SNAP. This institution is an equal opportunity provider.